In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect BlackBull to MT5. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up a BlackBull account on blackbull.com, so either a demo one or a real live account. And after you do this, you're going to need a few things. In here, you want to go into trading accounts, and then you'll need your account number over here. You will need your password, which you can reset by clicking over here and typing it in twice, and you will also need your server name. So after you have all these things, you want to go ahead and open up MT5, and then on MT5 go to File, top left, click on Open an Account, and then look for BlackBull. Okay, so look for BlackBull, and then over here it is, BlackBull Group Limited, BlackBull Markets. Click on that and click on Next. And then after that, you want to click on Connect with an existing trade account. You want to basically just copy this account number over here, and you want to paste it in here. And then the second thing you have to do is you want to paste in or type in the password. So there we go, like this. And then you want to choose the server. So if you have a demo account, it's going to be demo. If you have a live one, it's going to be live. For me, it's demo. If you're not sure, over here, it's going to say that on the website as well over here. Now, after you do that, click on Finish. And there we go, you'll successfully be connected and you can just start trading on MT5 using BlackBull Markets. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.